Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President ka All India Trinamool Congress uba Charles Pungrob ula ong hakabay bat kajing penkre jong kaseng All India Trinamool Congress nagabanta ke election siya kayeng dorbar tawaan kari kapan long host nam arajar arpusaw nakaliang jong kumunong elam unhap banyak keren shwa bat kibor bahalor jong kaseng ha kabala penbet ru bandon kajing kendo baru National General Secretary in charge ka All India Trinamool Congress Dr. Manas Ranjan Bhunia Henry ha kajing keren lingba ka phone kaladon kajing penbet la uba Charles unlet hi sya Kolkata nela Dr. Manas unwan syanong ba Shillong banyak keren nagabenta kijing penbet ha kabay day bat ki election MP kabanwan Shushu uba Charles Pungrob habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor minta kasengi kalai potrik unailar ulaong ba nakaliang ka Trinamool Congress kalarai Pynïakhun ha ka election MP na baro artli ki parliamentary constituency kata katura bat ka Shillong parliamentary constituency Henry yakani anla banle tanghadin balayo yakarai na gibor bahalor jong kaseng bat kum makalong menta nakaliang uba Charles ulapen pau bakat kum gajing sngo shimet jong ukam ibiang yo MLA barim ka umroy constituency uba George B Lingdo ban long kumukurtong kaseng na ka Shillong parliamentary constituency Henry ula krenshai bakani kadai tang gajing pen sngo shimet jong bat karai kan shong ha kaseng kat ba nakatura parliamentary constituency pat la haka jing start jong unong eram ki MLA ka seng Dr. Mukul Sangma panjit yo kurtong uba biang Pynïakhun haka election MP kabanwan.
Hima will be joining NPP. He was former TMC member, then jumped to BJP. Now he is joining NPP. How do you feel about it?
Well, he's free to go to any political party as he desires. Because at the moment, there is no constitutional barrier that can stop him from doing so. Therefore, if he feels that he wants to go to join the NPP, then this is his prerogative.
Have you decided to contest? Means your party has decided to contest.
One thing about the NPP, they will have to fight the parliamentary seat. So if they are looking at Hima to be the candidate, so it's, I find there's nothing wrong in that. But where our party is concerned, I have yet to discuss with the High Command or General Secretary in charge, Dr. Manas Bhunia. In fact, I spoke to him this morning, asking him for a meeting, and perhaps either he will come or I'll go to Calcutta and finalize the modalities of how we go about it.
But TMC will be contesting this parliamentary election, right?
Yes.
Both the seats?
Yes. Both seats.
Okay.
So have you decided on the candidates, sir?
No. Only after we get the go-ahead from the party that they have to agree on certain issues, then we'll go. Because we already have candidates, so there's no issue.
So who are your probable candidates, sir?
Well, from the Shillong region, and that's my personal, but according depends on the entire party hierarchy. I feel George Lingdo will be a very good candidate. And from the Garwals, I'll leave it to the wisdom of the Honorable Parliamentary Party Leader, Dr. Mukul Sangma, to take the final call.